Hi, I'm David. This is Machinehead Moto, and today we've got the Beeline Moto II, which is a really nice little navigation device for your motorbike. Now, a lot of the bikes that I've got are classic custom, like this one is a kind of a Street Fighter naked bike. So to put your navigation on the bike can sometimes be a little bit bulky. Sometimes you don't want your phone on display. So this is a really nice little device. We've just got it into the shop and we're now stocking it in our store here. So this one is their black plastic version. They have a bright silver metal version, and they also have a really nice gunmetal one as well. I've been going through it. This is something I've just been trying out myself. It's really, really intuitive. It's got nice little sort of arrow navigation. It's waterproof, it's shockproof, and actually the battery is really, really good. It lasts about 14 hours on a full charge. They do have the different mountings that they do for it, and I think one of them, which we've got in the shop as well, is a charging mount for it as well, so you can plug it into your USB or into your battery and it'll charge it up as you ride. We actually met some of the guys from Beeline. We talked to them about it, and it's the app behind this that has made it really, really good. It goes onto the bike really easily, so if I show you how it goes onto the bike, it goes onto the handlebars here, and it's just a quarter turn and then it's on. And you can see that when you look on the handlebars here, we've got a nice clean handlebar. It's just got a nice kind of arrow navigation. And one of the things that they do is a subscription. I think they call it the subscription Beeline Plus, I think it is, about £40 a year. I had a look at the features and I've signed up to it, and it has real-time traffic. So whilst you're riding, it's showing you what's going on. It's got the speed limits as you ride through, so notifies you as you go into a speed limit, particularly obviously with a lot of 20-mile-an-hour zones now. It also has 3D maps. One of the things I really, really like is the loop generator. So if you're like on a Sunday morning, I need to go out for an hour's ride, it can generate a loop for you, and it goes around that nice little loop, so you can do 30, 40, 50 miles, however far you want to ride. But I like it because when you've got your gloves on, and I've always struggled with certain different types, like with an iPhone, having the right kind of gloves to touch the screen. But this, because it's loaded up on your app, you can put your phone away into your jacket, or you can put it into your rucksack, and it's just now this tiny little device on your handlebars, and it's just running away nicely. It's not draining loads of power from your phone, and I just think it looks really, really nice. Go for a ride on it. It's really good to follow. The screen's nice and bright. It's really compact. And I think there's a few little protectors for what they do for it, but they do this nice little case, which you can just pop it off. So again, it just quarter turn, off it comes, pop it in this little protective case, pop it in your rucksack, and off you go, and you're done. But yeah, Beeline, really like it. It's a great little device. Yeah, and check it out when you come into the store.